Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Investors Bank step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Investors Bank. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Look for the Login button on the home page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your login information, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter an error, verify your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After successfully logging in, navigate through your account to access various features. Remember to log out when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.